What's going on? This is O from CLO Ed TV. Hopefully you're enjoying your week and getting a good start to a great weekend. Today we're going to be doing some coasters, laser etching some coasters, and I'll be using Inkscape as my software. Affinity Designer has a new software, so definitely check it out. It has Shape Builder and many other new features, and they're actually having a discount sale if you buy all three software from Affinity. So what I'll do is leave a link in the description below for Inkscape and Affinity. Both of them will help you design your graphics. I got my designs prepped on the computer, so we're going to take these designs, take them over to the laser and etch them, and then we'll do a showcase at the end of the video. Let's get to it. Okay, so in Inkscape, these are the 4 designs that I came up with. As you can see, this is the one that's lasering right now. And all I did was took some designs. This one particular one is a new design I did. And all the rest are original designs. And all you do is make sure that whatever you want to laser etch, that remains in black. Whatever you don't want to etch remains in white. And if you want gradients such as photographs, then you'll use your grays and grayscale in the middle. Alright, I already have my design loaded in K40 Whisper. As you can see, the writing reads backwards, but that's how it's supposed to be. So that way it will write it the correct way. Let's go over to the laser. Okay, over here you can see the outline path, and this is just so I'll know where to place the coaster. And this was the red path we made in Inkscape. So I'm just going to place this right here. Alright, let's go ahead and laser etch our coaster. Okay, right now it's etching the design, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is let the laser etcher go ahead and do that, and I'll come back when it's about done. Alright, I just like to explain for a second. What I did was measure each of the coasters first. So here I have 3 different colors. And they measure about 3.75. And remember, this CLO ruler is accurate to 1/4 inch. So if you look here, you know, I'll be making a ruler soon that is accurate to more like 1/8 inch and 1/16 and 32nd. But this is enough to measure this. So I go ahead and take this measurement and I transfer it into the software. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, over in Inkscape, if you look in the right panel, you notice that units in display is measured in millimeters right now. So all I have to do is change this into inches, and then you can see the top ruler will measure in inches. And so all I got to do is make sure that this is smaller than 3.75 inches. And that's it. Alright, I slid the cardboard a bit on the design, but it's looking great so far. We'll take a look at it at the end of the video. Looks good. Okay, to fix the registration issue, I laid down a couple magnets to keep the cardboard from moving. So let's do the outline first, and then we will etch the design. Okay, this is the outline etching, so that way I have some knowledge of where to place the coaster. Alright, let's get etching. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new, and just to see how easy it is to laser etch coasters. If you like these designs and want to support the channel, they'll be available on my website. Just check the website out and the support links below and you can support there. Just check the links below and you can choose whichever one you like. Thank you for watching, tuning in, and guess what? I'll see you on the next video. Have a great weekend.